Hello everyone, welcome to Educate 247. This is the fourth lecture on government schemes on the MCQ revision series, and the scheme today is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Let's begin. The first question is, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana aims to provide housing for all by which year? The options are 2022, 2021, 2025 or 2023. So the answer to this question is 1, that is 2022. So Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, it aims to provide housing for all by the year 2022. And this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Remember, there is two. There is one Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural. So the components of both the schemes are different. This scheme, this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, has been launched by the Ministry of Urban Affairs, and this scheme, it aims to provide housing for all by 2022. And under this, all the eligible statutory towns as per our census 2011 and the towns notified subsequently would be eligible for the coverage under this mission. And this, so all the statutory towns as per the 2011 census will be included in this scheme. And this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, it has certain components under it. We shall see them in the upcoming slide. And also in this scheme, it aims to provide central assistance to urban local bodies and other implementing agencies through states and UTs. Let us see the next question. What are the components of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban? So I told you this has certain components under it. Let us see the options. 1. Slum rehabilitation of slum dwellers. Option 2, promotion of affordable housing for weaker section. Option 3, affordable housing in partnership with public-private sectors. So the answer to this question is D, 1, 2 and 3. That it aims in situ rehabilitation of the existing slum dwellers using land as a resource, and this will be done through private participation. And also it will aim to give affordable houses to the weaker sections through credit linked subsidy, and affordable housing also in partnership with the public and private sectors, and subsidy for beneficiary led individual house construction enhancement. So the thing is, here it will have in situ rehabilitation with the involvement of the slum developers, with the involvement of the slum dwellers, and also it will provide affordable housing in partnership with public private sectors. And there is also another component of credit linked subsidy for the weaker section. And this mission mission promotes women empowerment by providing the ownership of houses in the name of the female members or in joint name. So also this is one of the component of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. Educate 247 has launched various courses on RBI Grade B examination. All these are available on our website www.educate247.com. In these courses, we will be providing video lectures, current affairs, practice question, multiple choice question, all to suit your needs. So to have a view of these courses, please visit our website www.educate247.com. Next question is, consider the following regarding the Angikar campaign. So this Angikar campaign is a sub scheme under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. So as I told you, as I explained, like which type of schemes are probably going to come for the exam, even the sub schemes which are launched to the scheme needs to be learned. So Angikar campaign is one such component or a sub scheme which is under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. So let us see what is this Angikar campaign about. Option 1, it has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option 2, it is for the beneficiaries of completed houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. And option 3 is it is launched for social behavior changes focusing on issues such as water, energy, waste management, health, etc. So this Angikar campaign, which has been launched, it has all the 3 components. That is, it has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and it is for the beneficiaries of completed houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. And the third one is social behavioral changes such as on issues of water, energy, waste management, health, tree plantation. And this scheme would especially focus on Ujjwala. You know, Ujjwala is for gas connection, and Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat also is another flagship scheme which is for the health insurance of the beneficiaries. So remember this, Angikar campaign relates to Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, and it aims to bring social behavioral changes for the beneficiaries who have got the houses under this scheme. And it is also launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next question is, consider the following about affordable renting housing complex for urban migrants. This is also a part of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban. So we got to know about this scheme also. So let us see the options are. It aimed for creation of affordable rental housing complexes. Workers who come from rural areas and towns to work in manufacturing, health and etc. And complexes will revert to the urban local bodies after 25 years to run on their own. So the options are, is it 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, 2 only, or D, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer to this question is D, 1, 2 and 3. So this affordable rental housing is created so as to provide complexes for the people who are coming from the rural areas to the towns for working in manufacturing, health, etc. And this scheme is in line with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And the creation of affordable rental housing complex is a part so as to tackle the COVID-19 crisis. Okay, and under this there will be concession agreements. The conversion will be done through concession agreements. So the term is for 25 years. The term of the concession agreements will be for 25 years. And this will have complexes, okay, for 25 years, and it will be given back to the urban local bodies after the 25 years is over. And also special incentives to the entities like concessional loan priority at concessional loan at priority sector lending rate will be offered to the private and public entities to develop the affordable rental housing complexes on their available vacant land for 25 years. So in short, it is to provide these workers who are coming from the rural areas rental complexes for a period of 25 years, and it will be done through concession agreements. Note that also, and this is also for 25 years. And technology innovation grant is also a part of the affordable rental housing complexes. Under it, an expenditure of 600 crore would be provided for projects using identified innovative technologies for construction. So at priority sector lending rates, okay, they can public-private partnerships, public-private entities, they can develop these ARHCs on their own land which is vacant. So we saw what is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, then the Angikar campaign, which is a sub-scheme under or a sub-part of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, and also the affordable rental housing complex for urban migrants. Thank you and happy learning.